What were your A-level results?
I managed to get 4 stars somehow.
What were they in?
Chemistry, biology, maths, and something called extended project, where you do like a big essay on your chosen subject that you're interested in. So I did something based on what I'm going to do at university, dentistry. I did about how to put fluoride in water and the effects of that kind of thing.
Good stuff. Good stuff. Which results gave you the most satisfaction and why?
Probably maths, because I'd been doing well pretty much all year, and it came to the exam and I thought I did absolutely terribly, and then got a surprise on results day that turns out I hadn't gone as badly as I thought it had.
Good. Okay. Does it feel strange coming back to Tanfield School?
Yeah, it's weird seeing all the teachers, and like, looks better than when I came here. Seems to be a lot done to it.
Okay. Who was your favourite teacher when you were here? Putting you on the spot?
Probably Mr. Seaton, because he managed to get us into what I'm wanting to do now. He got us a day to go and visit his dentist, so probably him.
Was that for work experience?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Had a day's work experience.
Good. What do you plan to do now? Are you going to continue your studies?
I'm going to university. Well, I'm moving tomorrow, so I've got all my packing to do today, and hopefully for the next 5 years, dental school.
And it's a 5-year course?
5 years. 5 years and then a foundation year working in a dentist.
Okay. Where did you do your A-levels?
St Bede's at Lanchester.
Did you find the transition there difficult, or was it quite straightforward?
At first it was really good, because I went from having awful lessons to then all of a sudden I've now got 3 hours a week to do what I want. Like, you can leave the premises, go to the shops or whatever, and then all of a sudden you get at the end of the first year and then you realise I've wasted them 5 hours every week, and then it's good, it's like a new thing, but second year you realise I've got to work hard now.
Okay. What would you say were the main differences then between studying for your GCSEs and studying for your A-levels?
Well, you'd think that going from 12 subjects to just 3 or 4, it would be a lot easier, but it's actually not, because there's so much more to learn and you've got to do a lot more reading. And the GCSE was a lot more about just remembering the stuff, but at A-level you have to actually understand, so you need to ask a lot of questions and really get into your head what's happening, otherwise you'll have no chance. So you need to want to learn and want to do it.
Okay. And your plans now are?
Dental school. That's 5 years ahead, and then hopefully after that I want to do, ideally like to do jaw surgery, but that might take a long time.
And that's at Newcastle, yeah?
Yeah, Newcastle.
All right, lovely, okay. What advice would you give to students at Tanfield School?
Work hard, don't work too hard. Like, there's not long left if you've done nothing for the past.
Can you explain what you mean by work hard but not work too hard?
Well, obviously you have to revise and go to revision sessions after school and things like that, but don't work yourself into the ground to the point where you get a month before exams and you've got nothing left and you get a nail and things like that.
That's good advice, yes, good advice, yeah. Any other advice you could give to?
When you're choosing what you want to do afterwards, do something that you really want. Don't just do things because, oh, that looks good, that sounds good. Pick subjects or one subject that you really want to do, because if you don't want to do it, then there's no point in doing it, really.